Good morning again, everyone. Welcome back to the KSR YouTube channel. I'm Kevin. That's Travis, if you don't already know us. And we're going to get some more work done on Mullet today. It's been a busy week. Last week, you saw us wrap up the Viper to get it ready for Trans Am. That's coming this weekend. So we've got to get down. We've got to get down for that race for our season opener there. And a lot of you guys will be at Cletus and Cars Houston this weekend. So that way, you know, all this stuff, it's starting to get busy. Hopefully everybody's okay over there. It looks like Texas is it's getting kind of rowdy over there. I mean, we complain about our cold weather here, but it's real cold over there. We're going to put the front end back on this and work on the downpipes for the turbos and also for the wastegates. Maybe we fit the hood. So we'll see about getting that all going. But let's get started and see if we can make some stuff happen. All right, so to get the downpipes down as low as we want them, we're gonna come in and see, I kind of drew a rough mark with a silver Sharpie in there. Gonna trim out some of that to give us room to get the downpipes down around the tire. Get the downpipes out nice and low. And actually, believe it or not, that was a request from Cletus, because he said that it gets a little exhaust smelly in Leroy with the exhaust being up high. So with this being down low, make it real nice to drive on the street. Doing the same over on this side. Even if we cut into the body a little bit, that'll be okay. That'll be okay for, we'll just patch it back up and get some of the coating that's on the inside of the floor and give us something to work back to. So we'll keep at this thing and make some holes in it. Well, everybody, as you might have seen in the time lapse, things got a little serious. Seemed like the more we went back, we kept finding more and more fiberglass and Bondo, and it made sense to kind of go through and just peel this out to where we'll be able to bring the exhaust right through here and then turn out the fender. So we're gonna do a little bit more up in here. Sometimes things don't exactly go to plan, but once we get these all sealed up and get the exhaust routed where we can get it all done up and everything, we should be good to go ahead and start wiring this thing up. So Travis is going to keep messing with some of the filler panels here, and I got to go pick up my kids from school. We'll be back in a little bit. All right, everybody. Well, I had hoped to be quite a bit further along in today's video than where we ended up. What ended up happening, I got very distracted in my office with some stuff that started to transpire, and I guess the short of it is I am a victim of identity theft, and so trying to get back ahead of that kept me out of the shop there from doing some of the exhaust stuff while Travis was working on the firewall, and I was going to put the exhaust stuff in the video, and you know, this video's ended up being a little short, and we've got some stuff to wrap up for the Viper that we're hauling down on Friday, which I think this video will probably come out Friday morning if I'm guessing. So I've got some stuff to do Thursday to get us ready to go to the track on Friday, like some spare parts, spare differential, some other little spare pieces that we've got to take with us. But like I said, hope to be a lot further along on some of the progress that we did, you know, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday on Mullet. But this identity theft thing is kind of throwing me for a little bit of a loop. And I think we've caught it early, but I don't know. All right, so like I said, I had planned to be a whole lot further along with that video. I was going to be doing the wastegate dumps and even start on some of the downpipes while Travis was doing the firewall stuff. We were going to just switch sides back and forth. I had my other camera prepared to, you know, do some recording and some time lapsing with it while Travis was doing the firewall. And then I got wrapped up in sitting on the phone and trying to deal with identity theft. So that's been my week this week. But we're gonna put all this behind us, keep working on the thing. And actually, since I started filming that video, Cletus and Cars got postponed into March. Cletus and Cars Texas got postponed into March, so we're gonna be trying to get Mullet wrapped up for that. And you know, hopefully we can get this thing wrapped up, get it to a track, do some testing, run it across the dyno first, just to get a good base tune on the thing, and you know, and we'll have a lot more fun than having to deal with this identity theft crap. So hope you guys are all having a great week. I'll see you in the next one.